So metrics in resumes, what are metrics? Now metrics are specific KPIs or specific results that you got in your last jobs or in your last project that benefited your employer either by means of profits or by means of improvements in certain other parameters. So what do you do with metrics? The most important thing in your resume is metrics today, okay? General resumes full of jargons, they are not doing really well in the job market. So the only way to stand out from the crowd is to use KPIs or specific metrics targeted towards specific jobs. So if you want to really make a resume and you want to get hired faster, you need to identify what metrics is the employer looking for. So if you are targeting a specific job in marketing, then you know that marketing ROI related metrics is what the employer is going to look for. How well did your marketing campaigns perform? Were you able to generate traffic on a website or to a physical store through your marketing campaigns? What kind of eyeballs were you getting? Okay, or if you're targeting towards an engineering job, then how fast were you able to complete that engineering project that you had? What were the resources that you were using? And anything that can actually make the employer sit up and take notice that this resume or this candidate really can do the job for me, then you have a real chance at the interview table. So if you are making a resume, make sure specific metrics are highlighted at the top of the resume, immediately below your name, probably in the title or as a headline to the resume. Don't overuse analytics, don't overuse metrics. But let's say you have year-on-year growth numbers, you can prepare a small chart in the resume. You can add maybe a couple of graphics here and there. You can talk about how you were able to increase a specific metric between the last 5 years or 3 years, how you utilize certain tools to improve productivity in the organization, or how you benefited the organization through an NPS improvement or a general reputation in the market. So anything that can tell the new employer that no, this is the guy for me, this is the guy who's going to solve this specific problem. Because always remember, employers are hiring you to solve a particular problem. If you can tell them through your resume that I have been a part of a similar problem before and I can solve it for you, the interview is going to be just a matter of formality. So try to follow this in your resume and see how well you get results. Wish you all the best.